Hi, my name is Ameya and I am a rising sophomore at Homestead High School.
So this is my demo. As you can see, I got the mean score to be around 0.79, which is actually pretty good. I used cross-validation, and I got to predict on a face from inside the Olivetti faces. Next thing I did is I loaded my own image. As you can see, Har Cascades detected my face over here, and I drew a red line border around it. It zoomed in to make it like the Olivetti faces, 64 by 64. And finally, it predicted down here that I was smiling. So that was pretty exciting.
My second milestone was using OpenCV and Har Cascades to detect smiles and faces. The first thing I had to do was download Jupyter Notebook so I could use widgets which are used as buttons to label all of the 400 images in the sklearn package. It took a while to label all of the 400 images, but once I finished, I put it into the XML file. The next thing I did was download OpenCV, which is what is used to predict if someone is smiling or not. I loaded an image of my own face into OpenCV so it could detect if I was smiling or not. I had to use Har Cascades, which is an algorithm that uses OpenCV to detect if there is a face. Then I used OpenCV to detect if I was smiling or not. One key snag I ran into was that the image I loaded could not be loaded into the predict function, which was a problem. I had to download the image of my face onto a Raspberry Pi and put it into the notebook location so that it could load up the image. Another snag I ran into was that the XML file containing Har Cascades couldn't be opened. I had to re-download that file and also put it inside the notebook directory for it to work. One key surprise that I was surprised by was that the Har Cascades could detect my face even if I was wearing glasses. That was really surprising because I thought it wouldn't be able to detect that I had eyes because of the glasses. The next step I have is to use a live loop to detect smiles.